So it is a better way to test the submarine system here. Okay, that's why the submarine lab is here in here. Okay, the deepest part it is around 200 meters deep. Okay, and then if you are not sleepy, you will see a lot of wineries around this area on both sides of the street later, not now. Okay, we used to have wine tasting tour in our itinerary, but not anymore. Okay, I know ladies would like to have wine tasting. Okay, but before we had it, but not anymore, because you could see our tour have quite a lot of kids. When the adults are enjoying wine tasting, the kids must wait outside. What's gonna happen? They will keep asking, are we leaving yet? Are we leaving yet? Are we leaving yet? Are we leaving yet? Right? So it caused us a lot of trouble. So that's why we took it out from our itinerary. 那现在呢，右手边这个是胡子湖里面最长还有最深的一个湖，叫圣尼卡湖。在我们再走20英里吧，前面有一个水底下的一个潜水艇的基地。那为什么潜水艇的基地会在这边呢？因为呢，如果它这个基地呢是用来试用潜水艇的。 那为什么会在湖不是在海里面呢？因为湖水底下的环境会比较安静，因为你们要知道那个潜水艇呢，他们是用声音来做那个他们的系统的，所以呢比较安静的地方会更好知道那个潜水艇的系统好不好，所以呢这里有一个潜水艇的基地在这里。 这里最深的话呢，大概有200米深，很快就看到两边都有很多葡萄园在这里。因为啊，就跟我刚刚跟你们说的一样，这里呢最出名的就是葡萄酒了。以前呢我们也有品酒这个行程的，那花个10块钱，然后他会给你5种不同类型的酒，你可以品，品完以后你还可以买。 OK， 很快马上你就看到两边很多葡萄园，所以你们会问我，为什么现在没有品酒了？因为呢，你看到我们团里面有很多小朋友啊，在美国里面合法可以喝酒的年龄。Soon you'll see some wineries and grape yard right here. Okay, like I told you, there's a lot of wineries here. So we're gonna go straight to Niagara Falls right now, and we'll come back tomorrow for Corning Museum of Glass, because our driver won't have enough time to go to Corning today, because we started from Flushing and we have 4 pickup locations, so that's why we're gonna share some of the driving time tomorrow. Then it will be more safer. Okay, so we are driving straight to Niagara Falls, and then today we will do one part of the in-depth tour as well. We probably will do the Cave of the Wind today. Okay, so I would say we should get to Niagara Falls around 5:30. Okay, Grapes Yacht on your right. Okay, winery here. 右手边我们刚刚经过了葡萄园了，还有这个是酒庄啊。Alright, if you are not sleepy, you can enjoy the lake view here, and then we should get to Niagara Falls around 5:30. 好，你们不困的，你们可以看看这边的景色啊。我们现在一直开车开到瀑布那边去啊，我们直接开过去。今天我们会把其中一个深度游的景点做完了，因为呢，我们明天的话呢就要再回来这边做另外一个景点，所以呢，我们今天会先过去，瀑布那边做景点，我们直接开过去，大概5点20分左右，我们就可以到瀑布了。So right now the GPS show that we should get there around 5:20 to 5:30. Okay, depends on traffic. So you guys can sit back and relax, rest a little. Because we're gonna have some fun at Niagara Falls. We're gonna go to Cave of the Wind. 那你们可以睡觉啊，我们会第一个景点就会到那个风之洞。那你们可以在底下，在瀑布的底下走一下。所以呢，待会呢你们还需要一点体力的，所以呢你们可以先睡觉啊。
Wag talaga na lupain kadamay. Kasi may mga nakikita ako naka-roll na mga grass.
I just need those two.
Sa kabila may mga tanim. May tanim na napier o mga corn.
It's just a very
Kasi kapag may corn, may alaga na yan.
and planted.
Ang dami lang mo.
बस फूलों के बीच में से ऐसा है. मेरे पास एक पेड़ ऑलरेडी है. जो रोज का पेड़ का नाम
Sa malapit na yan, mga October, wala na yan. November, wala ng dahon yan mga kadamay. Winter na. South. Yan o, corn lab o, dami o.
मतलब वो फीलिंग नहीं आती है
Dami mais. Yung mais mga kadamay o. Yan o, may bunga na. Yan. Payat siya kasi pagkain ng baka yan eh.
Pagkain ng baka, hindi kailangan yung bunga.
Malapit na anuhin yan. Kasi mamamatay na yan eh. Dahil nag-i-start na yung lamig. At saka ano, sobrang dikit yung tanim nila, alam mo.
Kasi pagkain na lang.
Oo, lawak ko. Lawak ng taniman. Nakakatakot na dito manirahan kasi may mga bear na yan dyan, may mga raccoon.
Ay, ganun lang.
Oo.
Dito, delikado na.
Siyempre sarado mo na yung bahay mo kapag gabi. Or lagyan mo na ng yung gate. Paikutan mo na ng ano, ng pins yung ano mo, yung bahay mo. Para po lagyan mo ng ano, electric pins. Yan o, baka lang po, dami o. Dami mga baka. Lawak mga kadamay. Lawak. Oh, ganda. Ay, sa kabila rin o, ang ganda din. Amaki mo yan, State of New York pa lang yan mga kadamay. Lalo na yung California. Dami ng farm mo, tanim.
Grape siguro yan.
Hindi grapes yan. Mukhang tabako eh. Napakalawak taniman. Oo. Yayaman ka talaga kapag ganun ka lang. Kapag ikaw farmers dito, yayaman ka talaga. Kasi tingnan mo naman.
Ang lawak na lupa. Sino may-ari dyan?
Yun. Siguro mo na bagong matapos kapag mano-mano buwan. Kaya mayaman ka talaga. Water storage.
Grapes.
Both. Balik tayo rito, mag-camping tayo lang.
Kasi hindi naman sila ng tour guide.
May train na nakakarating dito pala. Talagang maano talaga yung train kahit saan sulok talaga ng Amerika.
Train pa rin. Saan nagdaan yung train?
Yun yung kanina release doon. Release yun eh. Train. Laki ng akala mo dagat, lake, river. Taniman Diyos ko po naman, bagong bagong harvest. Makapagtanim pa sila habol sa winter. Sweet farm. Butigan ng mga kadama yun. Yung ganong style na sa movie ko na napapanood yun. Mga corn sign dito. Sa kabila rin